Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, Monday, January the 2nd, 2023. First newspaper in the year 2023. Yeah, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional: the 3 stars puzzle, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. 3-star Sudoku, yes. Well, this one I have more troubles than that one. Anyway, two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. I'm looking forward for this one because it has 8 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Should be definitely a hard one. But now we are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 5726. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. All right, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have a double O here 1, there 1. Here also a double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, I cannot place. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then these 3 boxes should be a 1. 3 1s in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1. O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Here we have also 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. All right. Then. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. 4 1s, so that box should be an O, and between 2 O's comes an 1. Okay, here we have also between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Now we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here in this column, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. And now, well, we have here 1, 2, 3 columns and completed, and 1, 2 rows. Okay, the question is, it's time for this is not the same. Can I compare this? Wow. 1 1. This is almost the same with 1001 here. No, I think we need to compare the columns then. 1001. Do we have here 1001? No. Oh, 11 here. No. So I cannot compare this one. Oh, wait. I can compare. I can continue with this one. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Now between 2 ones comes an O. Now. Number 1 here. Well, we have a 3 O's here. No. Yeah. Double 1 here. No. No double 1 here. Double O here. No. Double O here. So cannot compare this one. 1, 2, 3. 10. Oh, come on. This is taking too long. This is taking too long. 1. Do we have a 1 here? No. Oh, overlooked. Double 1. Overlooked. Double 1. Here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Overlooked. This double 1. All right, double 1. Here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Overlooked. Well. And now, do we have a double 1 here? No. Double O here. I cannot compare this one. Cannot compare this one. 101. No. And how about this 1010? Do we have a 1010 here? Here we have a 1010. This is not the right one. 0101. Do we have a 0101 here? 0101. This column. Sorry, this row and that row. 1100 empty box 1100. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. All right, now the last 2 columns or the 2 rows. 10 double 1. This first row and that row. Okay. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finish in 8 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And you need to compare twice. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And well, this binary I've collected. I believe this is number 999 binaries I've collected. Just look in my playlist. So next time it will be a celebration because I've collected that 1000 binary puzzles. If you like want to do or solve the binaries, just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find all the playlists that you want. If you are interested in only binaries, then you will get a playlist with only binaries. Enough. Yeah, 3 puzzles are solved, so 1 puzzle is left, and I'm looking forward to that puzzle because it has 8 printed digits in the tectonic. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.